Hello there. In this video, I will give you a walkthrough of session host backstage controls in Airmeet. Let's get started. First, go inside the event and click on View Schedule. Select the session and click on Go Backstage to go to your backstage. Now, while you're on the backstage, you will see the event name at the top. You can click on View Schedule to view all the sessions. If you want to leave the backstage, you can click on this arrow icon. You can also see this backstage indicator stating that you are inside a backstage. The session status, that is, the session has not yet started, session name, and when this session starts. Now, if you come to the bottom left, you will see this speaker chat. Inside this, the host and the speakers can privately chat with each other without including the event attendees. Now, let us talk about the show on stage, hide from stage button. You can simply click on here, and here you will see all the hosts and speakers. If you want to hide a particular speaker, then you can simply click on hide from stage, and that host or speaker will be hidden from the stage. Hiding the host will now highlight the speaker who will speak on the stage. Now, if you want to show the host on the stage, then simply click on this show on stage, and the host will be shown back on this stage. You can also hide speakers by simply clicking on this eye icon as well. You can also enable your camera and mic while speaking on the stage. You can also click on the screen share button and either share your screen or your PDF file. You can also click on the three dot icon and click on manage co-host to manage your co-host, that is to add co-host, remove co-host, etc. You can also click on this update stage backdrop, and from here you can either update the backdrop or you can also remove the backdrop. If you want to reapply the backdrop, then you can simply click on the three dot icon, click on apply stage backdrop, and re-add the backdrop. And on this tree icon itself, you will also find audio and video settings. If you have any issues with your audio or video, then you can simply click on here and set it up. You can also set up your virtual background by clicking on here. And under the camera settings, you can find the virtual background of your choice. You can also add blur, or if you want to add your own image, then you can upload it by clicking on here. Or if you want to remove it, then you can simply click on this remove icon. Once done, click on save. While on the backstage, you will also see this record session toggle, which is turned on by default. If you do not wish to record your live session, then you can toggle this up. Or if you do wish to record your sessions, then you can just keep it on. You can also have the grid view and active speaker view here. You can use this layouts when you have many participants on the stage, and you can also highlight the speaker who is currently speaking. Depending on your internet bandwidth, you can also set up the stream resolution. Simply click on HD here and select the stream definition as per your requirement. Now, if you are facing any problems, then you can simply click on here and you can test your system to see if there are any issues with it. On the RHS section, you also have many controls. You can moderate the chats or questions in case of abuses and if they are reported. Now, coming on to the feed, this is the event level feed or the chat section where people can chat with each other, irrespective of the sessions they are joining to. Coming on to the people section, you will see all the people who are inside this event as a whole. Coming on to the messages, you will find all the direct messages you have got from other participants or that you have sent to other participants in here. Coming on to the alert, you can also create text notification or live announcements from here. Coming on to the settings, you can also customize the event as per your requirement. You can also update your profile by clicking on here and then clicking on complete profile and update your information. You can also check your audio video settings from here if required. You can also easily open your event dashboard from here. That is this page. You can also change the event text language by clicking on this language and selecting the language of your choice. And these changes will be reflected only to you and not on anyone else. Now, if you want to log out, then you can simply click on log out to log out of this session. Now, coming on to this below RHS controls. First being manage. Inside manage, we have raise hand, videos, resources, and activities. Coming on to the raise hand, if the event attendees, they want to come to the stage and share their thoughts, then they can raise their hands. As a session host, you can either allow it or reject it. In the video section, you will see all the pre-recorded videos that you have added for your event. You can simply click on this play button to play the video. If you want to remove the video, then you can simply click on this eye icon or click on hide video from stage to remove the video. Coming on to resources. If you have added any resources to your session, then you can find those resources out here. Or you can also find your resources from here itself by clicking on add resource link or add resources. Coming on to activities, you can also have various activities such as donations, games, quizzes, feedbacks, or you can even plug in the iframes. Now, coming on to this chat section, this is the session level public chat area where the session attendees can chat with each other, and this will be only seen by the participants who are inside this session. Now, coming on to the Q&A section, the questions asked by the event participants will show out here. You can upvote the question. You can also show the question on the stage or comment on that question. Coming on to the people section, you can also see all the people who is inside this particular session. And now the session level polls. You can also have poll for this particular session. Simply click on create poll. You can put up your question. You can put up your answers. You can add more answers by clicking on add answers. You can also allow multiple answers. You can also control who can see the poll results. You can show the poll results to the event participants instantly. You can show the poll results only after the poll has ended, or don't show the poll results to the event participants at all. Once done, you can either save the poll as a draft or publish it. You can create as many polls as you like by clicking on this create a poll. Now, coming on to the breakout rooms. During the live session, you can have breakout rooms, but while on the backstage, you can simply click on create new breakout. And if required, you can upload the sales videos of the participants and the rooms they are supposed to be at. Coming on to this resource section, if you have added any resources, then you will find it out here. And lastly, if you want to hide this RHS section, then you can simply click on this hide panel and it will be hidden at the bottom. Now, if you want to see it again, then you can simply click on this arrow again and it will be shown out here. Well, those are all the backstage controls for the session host in Airmeet. Hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.